2007 Sprinter van diesel. How tied into the existing fuel tank to fuel a diesel heater. All right, so the second generation Sprinter vans, which is 2007 up to 2018, has a plastic tube coming out of the fuel tank right there, and I think I had to cut the end of it off and then connect the diesel heater fuel line to it, and the rubber is for better flexibility. Then it connects back to a solid line. Well, actually the rubber is to connect, since you can't directly connect two solid fuel lines, the hard plastic, the rubber goes in between to provide a good connection and also good flexibility. So the diesel heaters are provided with these parts, or should be. And then another flexible line here goes to the fuel pump. This one's disconnected because I'm getting rid of my old diesel heater that I paid $850 for in around 2017. Now you can get them for like $50. My old one was a Russian and I hate it because of the temperature control, Celsius, and all kinds of weird things about the controller. So the fuel pump here, this line would have another line going into the diesel heater where it would go through that hole there. Is where the diesel heater goes, used to be.